Hi everyone, my name is Mr.Jiraphon Thonrab. Today I'm going to clean and change silicone CPU in my laptop. With my cleansing supply today, there are grease cleaner, brush, hard guard, eraser, silicone, and plastic spoon. The first step is to remove all the screws of the laptop back. After removing all the screws, I use the hard guard to gently remove the latch on the back of laptop cover. I'm going to take out of RAM and use eraser to gently scrub the contact of the circuit board to clean up any dust that stuck. Next, I am going to remove the cooling fan, carefully screwing out the screw number. Look, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After the remove a cooling fan, I use a brush to gently dust off the blade of fan and laptop circuit board. Next, I will use a tissue to gently wipe the contact on graphic card and CPU chip to remove old silicone. Then I will use a grease cleanser to gently wipe all silicone stain. Once the contacts are fairly clean, drop silicone on the top of CPU and graphic card surface. And spread the grit over contact with plastic spoon to ensure good heat dissipation. Finally, place the cooling fan in place. install RAM on board. Close the laptop back cover and tie all the screws. We should do maintenance at least 1 to 2 years each time to increase the life of the laptop and save money on maintenance and replacement. Thank you.